Alright, another new unit just landed, 2026 Toyota Sienna, BraunAbility XT Power Foldout Handicap Wheelchair Ramp Conversion. This is a brand new van, straight out of the factory, gorgeous ruby flare red pearl Toyota Sienna 2026, fully loaded, BraunAbility XT. It's the best conversion you can get from Braun. Beautiful, beautiful van. We are a BraunAbility authorized service center and dealer. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. Supreme Motors USA.com, Supreme Motors USA.net. If you need any help with any seating options, transfer seats, docking systems, docking stations, easy locks, Q locks, hand controls, we can do anything. We have some of the best techs in the world. This is a power fold out ramp with the lighted wayfinder system. Beautiful, beautiful setup. 2026, absolutely gorgeous, loaded, fully loaded. It does come with all of your tie down retractors, a brand new set of Q straints, and the extra seat belt as well. This is a brand new van with 8 miles, fully power automatic ramp system, kneeling system, dual power entry doors, does have the footrest in the rear. It's a gorgeous van. We have the best prices in the country. Just give us a call, we're happy to help. If you have a current estimate on a brand new BraunAbility van, we will match or beat that price. So give us a call, happy to help at any time. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We can handle any of your service needs. These new BraunAbilities come with 3-year, 36,000 miles warranty. The Toyota comes with the full factory warranty. The vans are beautiful. There's nothing you need to get. They come fully ready to go for you. All power, 2 keys. Inside this box you have your owner's manuals, your Q strain retractors, extra seatbelt. Everything is there. It's all there. Gorgeous power lift gate, of course. It's all there. Beautiful, beautiful, brand new 2026 Toyota Sienna. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. We can ship anywhere in the United States when it comes to a new van. Again, if you need any help with easy locks, Q locks, any tie down systems, we have some of the best techs in the world. We can handle it for you. Hand controls, just let us know. We are more than happy to help. If you have a trade-in, we are glad to help with that too. We'll take anything in trade. Does not need to be a wheelchair accessible vehicle. We'll take anything in trade and give you more than a fair value for it. We do have financing available on these new vans. Excellent financing terms to fit your needs. Feel free to reach out to us anytime. This is a gorgeous color, one of the most popular. It looks beautiful. 954-561-2499. We are 49 years in business. We'd love to hear from you. Happy to help at any time. Supreme Motors and Mobility, Boca Raton, Florida. Thank you.